Hey, what's up guys, how are you all? This is Ram and you're watching Infinity Explorer. Today we're going to make this robot car into a solar robot car using the solar panel, so it runs by solar power, unlimited power. Let's make it. If you are new here, subscribe to the channel and ring the notification bell. You will need chassis, 4 wheels and motors, battery and a remote controller. Battery is optional here as we are going to make a solar car. It directly runs from solar power.
Go.
Watch this video of mine where I explain every single detail of it if you are interested to make this robot. For detailed connections, refer to this video. I will drop the links in the description. Now our robot is ready. Let's test it. It's running fine. Now let's turn this into a solar car. For this I am using this 10-watt solar panel from Loom Solar. If you want to know more about the solar panel I am using, go watch this video where I unboxed it and tested it thoroughly. Now in place of battery we will attach the solar panel as a power source. As this is a 10-watt panel, it is not sufficient to run this robot to its full potential, but it runs.
Invincible.
I hope you enjoyed watching this video. Give it a like and meet you in the next one. Until then, keep exploring infinity.